Assalamu alaikum. As Eid al-Fitr approaches, I wish you and your loved ones a very joyous and blessed celebration. May this special occasion bring you immense happiness, peace, and prosperity. May the end of Ramadan bring a renewed sense of faith, love, and compassion in your heart. May the divine blessings of Allah bring light to your life and guide you towards success and happiness. Once again, Eid Mubarak to you and your family. May this special occasion fill your hearts with happiness, your homes with laughter, and your lives with prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe How to AI Pro channel. Thank you for visiting my channel. For more tutorials, please subscribe, like, and share.